can't believe this is happening today.
Honey, it'll be fine. We can always go over this script another time. Seriously. Or over the phone, even.
I can't get a break with this project. They're not even opening the highway until tomorrow afternoon.
We both knew this might happen.
I shouldn't have moved out here.
Don't say that, hun. You're getting a lot of writing done up there.
Yeah, but now I'm gonna be stuck next to my creepy-ass neighbor.
Oh, no. I thought you said he moved already.
Not yet. There's a for sale sign out front, but hopefully soon. Fingers crossed, at least.
Well, do you have some type of protection?
What is that supposed to mean?
A gun. Do you have a gun?
Yeah, the thought crossed my mind after, I don't know, maybe the third creepy sex poem he left me.
What are you gonna do if he tries to get in your house?
I have some traps set up.
Trapped? What? Oh, okay.
Oh, it's crazy. Spending all that time alone writing horror stories, that'll do it to you.
Listen to me, Lily. If anything ends up happening, I want you to call me right away.
I'll send over the blue version of the script in a few hours, and we can go over your notes then.
I'm serious. Call
I'll
me.
be fine. Frank lives down the street, and he has a gun. I can call him if need be. I gotta run, but seriously, I will be fine. My house is rigged for that reason. Whether it is creative or just freaking nuts.
Hey! I don't want no trouble, sir.
Hey, you leave that poor girl alone.
I'm sorry, Mr. Drackman. I don't want no trouble.
You know what? You need to stop leaving your little love letters and staring through her window.
I ain't leaving no love letters. Honest. That's not me, Mr. Drackman. I promise.
You know what? Get the fuck out of here. Fuck.
Frank! Hey, come in. Thank you so much for taking care of Teddy.
It's not a problem.
Do you want some tea?
Yeah, sure. When you live up here in these mountains, you gotta be ready for anything. It's a nice place you got here.
Sorry, I know it's a mess, but I like the peace and quiet when writing my stories, and when you live alone, it doesn't really matter.
So, this might be a personal question. You know how sensitive all of the types are. You have a gun here?
No. I know you've told me before, but I am a good shot.
Yeah, well, you want to think about getting a gun because you never know what can happen up here.
Sometimes it just takes a little creativity. Cheers.
If you say so.
Thanks for the tea. Listen, if you have any more problems, don't text me, just call me. I can get right here. See you later. Bye.
Hey, Tracy.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna have to call you back.
What's going on?
Yeah, everything's fine. I just think someone's outside.
Hey, Lily. Lily!
Okay. Frank, what are you doing? Oh, Frank, you're hurting me. Get off.
I know you want it.
Frank, what the fuck are you doing?
Tell me you don't feel it.
Stop. Frank, stop.
I saw you.
Stop. Oh, God.
I could just see you cry.
Frank, stop.
Nothing but a cheese. You're all fucking cheeses. Every fucking one. Fucking bitch.
Oh, you're gonna pay for that, trust me. You don't wanna give it up? I'm gonna take it, whore.
Why are you playing so hard to get? Who knows, you might even like it. Short and sweet, that's what I always say. Who knows? Maybe we'll both get our rocks off.
Lever, I'm calling the cops.
Nah, I don't think so. I already know you don't have a gun up here.
You killed him. We were just gonna make love to you and leave. This ain't right. No. No. You shouldn't have killed him. You shouldn't have killed him.
Teddy, I can't run anymore. You win. Who needs this? People without imagination.